you, Dr. Sadhna. I'm Nima. I'm in awe of these good-looking girls. Northeast, we are not so thinking about clothes.
Sensitive.
We are very boy-girl. We are very open. We don't judge anybody with clothing and all. So when that happened, and we were taking live calls, I remember in the TV show, and one girl was like, she deserved it because she was wearing a pair of shorts, and that's when Brinda said, there are women who gets raped in burqa. There are people who gets. What do you have to say about that? And I was just mouth open, looking at Brinda, saying that, what guts this woman have? Like, I want to become like that, And I became a fan. And ever since then, I somehow or the other kept in touch with her. Like, I was also growing up as a girl, and now I'm 37 years old. I'm married for 5 years. I have my own kid and everything. So I remember when I became little popular on Instagram, I called Brinda, said, do you want to do a podcast with me? Let's just raise awareness about, I have been a survivor of domestic violence for 16 years. I was beaten up by different boys here, there. So then she came in for the podcast. Then I called her again. I said, any woman who needs help, we want me to help anybody. Then she gave me 2-3 women. I helped them with, whatever, going to the station, taking them to Vimojna here, there. Then now I feel like I'm a little more successful than before as well. So then I called her and I said, you know what, I want to associate myself with anything to do with children and education and raising funds. And then she said, why don't you come to my own NGO, Nima? I was asking her which NGO should I go for. I didn't know she had an NGO of her own.
Brinda's husband Narayana Digi raised money and we bought this land maybe 2008-9 like that. But now the Freemasons, that is President's friend, they raised money and they built this building.
So sweet.
And it's a shelter for so many women.
Too cute. You taught them, huh?
It was fun.
As it goes, as it keeps going till the end of the assembly. Just look at it. See, good evening.
Jaya Sundara Mahibala Palanade.
Go see.
Yeah.
How far from you? You studied in this school or other school?
Others, Sacred Heart.
Near where is Kamika?
Not in Bangalore.
Yes,
In
we
my
are.
state, Assam. It's okay, see, it's fine. You can see, it's okay. You like it? I put makeup, long hair.
Yeah, natural.
My kid name, John. You also.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. Hi, welcome back to another day of community service. Sorry, this introduction is going to be interrupted because I don't want to not attend to them when they say something. Tell Preetam. What tell? My birthday, 29th August. Yours? 15 in Lava. I wish I was 2015. No, 1987. Oh, finished, birthday finished. So I have to give you guys a background of where I am. I am at Global Concerns India. It is an NGO where they really bring in kids from all age groups, from if you can see around, up until their high school, where post-school they help them with finishing their tuitions and overall with their curriculum. I volunteer twice a week to come help kids around. Today I'm just chit-chatting because it's their Dussehra holidays. They don't really have much homework, so I'm just literally talking all sort of things that they're asking. I got so many letters and I wrote each one of them personalized letters too. Anita! Oh my god, this is so cute! For me? So with everybody. It's at 21. 3 4s are 12, 4, 28, 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54, 9 7 is 64. Good job! Correct.
Akka, you look so young.
I look young, huh?
What your age?
37. 37, 37. They don't believe I'm 37. Love it. Love it, guys. Bring in all the good food. Bring in all the gymming. It's working. You're good with maths. Write your most memorable day and come. Which day in your life you remember very well and why you remember that day, you should write one paragraph and come. I will check spelling, grammar, handwriting, everything. Let's go assembly time, guys. Bye, baby. I'll see you Wednesday. Bye, bye, bye. Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. Don't forget homework. Okay. Class-wise, class. Bye, baby.
Join your hands, close your eyes, prayer begin. Kids, you can't disappoint kids. Like, I'm here to really give them some mojo, some motivation. And I think just by existing, I'm doing so, since I only speak English, they are now forced to just speak English. That helps them with learning the language. They're writing letters while I started writing letters to each one of them. That motivated them to write letters. That's a great practice to write. So on and so forth. Let's head. Tomorrow, though, I'm going to meet the head of this NGO, Brinda Adige. And I have to tell you why I chose this specific NGO, right? So when I was about 22 years old, I was in Meenakshi Mall and I was dining in the KFC with my friends. And I was just 22, 23 years old. I was wearing a pair of shorts and the manager of KFC took a picture of me. We bought his phone, we went to the police station, filed an FIR. And then it got some media attention because it was KFC. And then we were called to a TV show called TV9 in English. And that's when was the first time I met the founder of this NGO, Brinda Adige, She came in as a social activist. And we were taking few questions live, I remember, during the talk show. And many of those girls were victim blaming me, saying that, well, she was wearing a pair of shorts, so she deserved it. And that's when Brinda stepped in and she's like, well, women in burqas get raped too. Women in saris get raped too. And that really opened my eyes because I was not this strong girl at that point. I was in abusive relationships at the time. I didn't really know, And ever since then, it's been 17 years that I feel today when I have become this person, it's my time to give back. And who better than Brinda herself, who has helped me become this strong person. And this is my way of giving back to her and through her to the society.